A high-quality, multifunctional jacket with eco-friendly graphene heating technology? Yes, with this Wulcea jacket. Check in the text below this video and in the pinned comment for a link to this coat and other heated outerwear from Wulcea. The Wulcea Ladies Heated Jacket. Excellent packaging. Clear instructions on the inside of the box on how to operate. QR code at the bottom if you want to use that part. In the package we have the coat, nicely sealed up, battery pack, and a bag, and an instruction manual. The battery pack and charger are inside this box. Nicely made, compact. Does come with the charger. The coat comes in a reusable Ziploc bag. Look at that material. That is gorgeous. So thick but soft. Has a hood that's lined with little fleecy top material. You can control the neck by making it smaller. Has concealed coverage. Has concealed zipper. Unzips very nicely. Has two front pockets. Long sleeves. And it also has a snout button at the bottom. I'm 5'2". I weigh 115 pounds. I ordered a medium because I wanted to have a little extra space for the bulky winter clothes. I didn't want the coat to be too snug so that I could have movement. It has 4 snaps to close the front up. The hood is perfect. I can snap this shut to give me a little extra protection from the wind, and you can pull it around and snaps quite easily. The zipper pulls from the bottom or the top, either one. Super, super comfortable. The material just feels really nice. Super comfortable. You can adjust the waist from the inside. It has the little strings that you can pull to make the waist a little bit more snug if you like. The coat can be washed. You just need to disconnect and remove the battery and make sure that you cover the connector with a silicone cap. Put it back, zip the pocket up, place it in the laundry bag that's provided, and your machine wash on gentle cycle. Tumble dry on low heat. Nice. Everything you need to charge the battery is included. The cable and the plug. Plug it in. Plug it in and let it charge. Very compact. The instructions tell me that the initial level may be inaccurate and to let it charge for 5 to 6 hours before I first use it. The jacket has 6 graphene heated pads. There's one on each side here. There's one on the back. And there's one in the upper sleeves of each one. There's also one up in the neck. This illustration in the instruction manual shows you exactly where the graphene pads are. This is the pocket where we'll put the battery. And this is the connector with the silicone cap to make sure you close that up before you do any laundering. I would put it back in the pocket and zip it up before you launder. Laundry instructions are on the tag on the inside of the jacket. Here's a close-up of the material. It's 100% polyester, windproof, and waterproof. To cut the battery off, you merely hold the button down for 3 seconds. To cut it back on, press it once. To connect it to the heating element, you put the power cord that's in the jacket in the connector, slide the battery back in the pocket, zip it up. Then there's a little button on the upper part of the jacket. You can access it from the outside or from the inside. It automatically goes to the hottest level, which is red. Press it one time and it goes to medium. Press it again, it goes to the lowest level. To cut it off, you hold it down 3 seconds. Or you can unplug the battery. I'll show you this with the flash off the camera. To cut it on, press it 1 second. It automatically goes to high. Press it again, it goes to medium. Press it again, it goes to low. Press it again, it goes back to high. If you hold it down for 3 seconds, it cuts it off. Or you can cut it off by unplugging the battery. Easy. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to check in the text below the video and also in the pinned comment for a link that will provide more information about this item or similar items. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Thanks again for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. And until next time, let's just look out for things that make life better. Bye.